Friends, maybe. Right at home in a small factory or even in a rented workshop, you can use a few machines to turn raw materials into hot-selling products, bringing in steady cash flow every day. This isn't a fantasy. It's exactly what many small entrepreneurs are doing right now. Today, I'm going to show you 8 extremely promising pieces of equipment. Not only do they have a low investment threshold, but they also let you create products that the market is scrambling for. You might just discover your next profitable project right here. 1 nut crusher. Have you noticed how hot the healthy snack market has become in recent years? Crushed cashews, almonds, and hazelnuts are must-have ingredients for bakeries, dessert shops, ice cream parlors, and breakfast cereal factories, and the nut crusher is a little gold mine that lets you control a key link in the entire nut supply chain. The principle of this machine is actually very simple. Pour peanuts, walnuts, almonds, or other nuts into the hopper, and it uses a blade roller or hammer system to precisely crush the nuts into different particle sizes. You can adjust the size of the pieces or crumbs to meet different customer needs. Even better, the whole process is efficient and uniform without the size inconsistencies of manual chopping. In terms of investment, a nut crusher costs about $800 to $2,000. Suppose you process 500 kilograms of nuts a day, your daily sales could be between $3,000 and $5,000. Even after deducting raw materials and labor, your net profit is still impressive. The demand isn't just from snack factories. Many restaurants and beverage brands also regularly purchase nut pieces. Imagine signing long-term supply contracts with several chain coffee shops, or even having your own brand. That's a constant stream of cash flow. So, if you have steady processing needs, this time-saving, labor-saving machine is totally worth a try. Can you already smell the scent of business? Then check out if this machine could be your first step. 2. Towel making machine. Towels may seem ordinary, but the demand is astonishingly huge. Hotels, gyms, beauty salons, gift companies, and even households use them all year round. A fully automatic towel making machine lets you mass-produce high-quality towels, putting you right into the stable and massive market. This machine can weave towels directly from raw cotton yarn, automatically completing weaving, cutting, hemming, and even pattern weaving. You can produce solid color towels, custom towels with embroidered logos, or even colorful jacquard styles to satisfy different customer groups. As for investment, a fully automatic towel making machine costs about $10,000 to $30,000. If you run the machine for 8 hours a day and produce 1,000 towels daily, you could have $2,000 to $5,000 in daily sales. High-end custom towels can sell for double, making the profit margin quite considerable. Plus, towels are high-frequency consumables. You can easily take B2B orders, such as long-term supply, to hotel groups or gym chains. Just imagine. Once you lock in a client, this machine is basically printing money for you. 3. Electric heating jacketed kettle. If your business direction is food processing, condiment production, or candy and jam making, then the electric heating jacketed kettle is an absolute must-have. Its magic lies in its ability to heat evenly and stir automatically, greatly reducing the hassle of manual stirring. This kettle has a heating jacket on the outside, which can use electricity to heat water or oil, then transfer the heat to the inner pot, making sure the ingredients are heated evenly without burning. Combined with the automatic stirring system, you can practically free your hands to handle other tasks. A medium-sized electric heating jacketed kettle costs about $1,000 to $5,000, with capacities ranging from dozens to hundreds of liters. For example, if you make jam, each batch produces 100 kilograms. Single batch could sell for $500. Its application, food factories, sauce producers, and candy factories all need this equipment. Even some artisanal food brands use it to ensure product taste and consistency. Especially in the US and Europe, consumers value handcrafted quality more and more, and this kind of equipment lets you balance output and taste to easily break into the market. 4. Vacuum emulsifying mixer. If you want to enter the cosmetics, sketch cake, or even food sauce production field, the vacuum emulsifying mixer is your key weapon. Why? Vacuum emulsifying? Because under vacuum, it can fully blend oil and water phases into a stable, fine emulsions, smooth texture, fewer bubbles, and longer shelf life. In the US and European markets, skin kick and personal care products have extremely high profit margins, and small batch custom Spew King brands are on the rise. Many independent brands use this kind of machine to produce creams, lotions, serums, and shampoos. Even high-end restaurant sauces use it. Investment-wise, a small vacuum emulsifying mixer costs about $3,000 to $8,000, with large commercial models going above $20,000. Suppose you produce 200 kilograms of emulsion products per day, your daily sales could reach $3,000 or more, after deducting raw materials and packaging. More importantly, this machine helps you quickly enter the high-profit brand market. Imagine contract manufacturing for a Skin King brand and landing long-term orders. That's a lock-in stable cash flow. Consumers are happy to pay for premium packaging and texture, and the emulsifier is the key to creating that product. Feel. 5. Automatic curtain sewing machine. You might not realize it, but curtains are a big stable business in the home market everywhere. Especially custom curtains. Not only are they heighted, but the profit margin is huge. Traditional manual curtain sewing is time-consuming and labor-intensive, but the automatic curtain sewing machine lets you easily complete everything from fabric feeding. This machine automatically sews according to preset dimensions, ensuring each curtain is precisely sized and neatly stitched with fast production speed. You can even produce several styles at once. European pleats, American minimalism, Scandinavian simplicity, to meet different customer preferences. Investment-wise, suppose you produce 50 custom curtains a day, even wholesale, daily sales could exceed $3,000. If you go high-end custom, profit margins can top 60%. The key is the home renovation, and new home market is very active. You can easily cooperate with interior design firms, home retailers, or directly serve customers and take on large orders. Once you sign a few steady clients, this machine will keep weaving cash flow for you. The frequency of home curtain replacements is higher than you think. Why not let this machine help you catch the next home improvement season? 6. Wood door lock drilling machine. If you know the door and window market, you'll know wood door processing is a stable and profitable industry. The wood door lock drilling machine is designed for precise drilling for locks, handles, and hinges on wood doors. Its advantage is high precision, fast efficiency, and easy operation. Manual drilling is time-consuming and prone to misalignment. But this machine ensures every hole is accurate to the millimeter, making subsequent lock installation. Whether it's mass-produced interior doors or high-end custom solid wood doors, this step is essential investment-wise. A wood door lock drilling machine costs about $800 to $3,000. Suppose you process 50 doors a day, daily income could reach $1,000 to $2,500. Even better, this machine isn't just for your own small wood door factory. It can also be used as an outsourced service. For example, you can process lock holes for furniture factories, renovation companies, or woodworking studios. That way you don't need to stockpile raw materials, just start work when you get an order. For those wanting a low-inventory business, this is a very flexible path. 7. Glass washing machine. If you've been involved in the doors and windows, cabinetry, curtain wall, or appliance panel industries, you'll know glass processing is a critical step. The glass washing machine is the key equipment to ensure glass leaves the factory spotless. The principle is simple. Feed glass onto a conveyor belt, where it's cleaned by high pressure, water jets and brushes decontaminated, then dried with powerful hot air. The whole process is fully automatic, leaving the glass surface sparkling clean and ready for tempering, coating, or installation. Investment-wise, a small or medium automatic glass washing machine costs about $4,000 to $12,000. Orders for this kind of business are usually steady because construction companies, cabinet makers, and appliance factories all regularly process large amounts of glass. Even more important, the US and European markets have high standards for glass products. Whether for home or commercial projects, clean, streak-free glass is the norm. You can even take on cleaning from multiple factories at once, building a regional B2B service network that keeps your machine running and turns capacity directly into cash flow. Construction companies, furniture makers, appliance factories all need spotless glass. Why not let this machine bring you a steady stream of orders? 8. Metal cutting machine in manufacturing. Metal cutting is almost always the first step, and a high-precision metal cutting machine is the core tool for turning raw materials into finished parts. The metal cutting machine we're talking about here, especially fiber laser cutter, are widely used in the US and Europe, from auto parts and machinery to signs and art pieces. This machine uses a high-powered laser beam to precisely cut metal sheets or tubes into various shapes and sizes. Compared to traditional mechanical cutting, laser cutting is faster, more precise, and produces smooth edges that rarely need further polishing. It can cut carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and more, is super versatile. The investment is higher. A mid-sized fiber laser cutting machine costs about $15,000 to $50,000, but the production capacity and profit returns are also impressive. For example, if you cut custom metal parts for clients, even running just 6 hours a day, daily revenue could hit several $1,000s. If you take orders for multiple industries at once, your machine utilization and ROI go up even more. The US and European markets increasingly demand Deca metal products, especially small batch, diverse orders, perfect for fiber laser cutters. With precise cutting services, you can position yourself as the regional metal processing solutions provider. Alright, today we've gone from food processing to textiles and home goods, from precision manufacturing to construction support, showing you 8 highly promising and thermal machines. Some have very low investment thresholds, starting at just a few $1,000s. Others require a bit more capital, but have equally impressive profit and market potential. If you really want to put your out-to-pound dreams into practice, here are a few tips. First, don't blindly chase hot projects. Analyze local demand first. Are there bakeries, furniture factories, or home renovation companies around you? What are their raw material or accessory needs? Second, start small and use minimal cost to test the market. Take a few orders, work out the process, then consider expanding capacity. Third, try to find B2B clients who will place recurring orders. This keeps your cash flow stable and saves you from constantly hunting for new customers. Fourth, use online channels to showcase your products. Post your production process and finished results on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. This not only attracts customers, but also builds your brand image. Whether you want to start a small factory or offer custom B2B processing services, choosing the right equipment is half the battle. The key is to find a project that matches your resources, market, and interests, then go all in. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who are also looking for business opportunities. Next time, I'll show you even more projects you can start at home to earn steady income. Maybe your next machine is just waiting to change your life.